As this picture behind you displays, mindset is everything. It really is. And that's why we've done a really good job from a cultural standpoint to make sure that you're taken care of. Again, I'm Barry Jenkins, the head realtor in residence. If you are only good at talking to people that know what they want as far as real estate, you need to learn a new way of selling. So if the only lead you're good at working is, "Hi, I'd like to see 123 Smith Street." Sure, when would you like to see it? If that's what you're looking for, it's not that you'll never find that, you just won't find a lot of that. What I want to do in the masterclass and in the community that I teach, I want to help you, and the Wailopo professors alongside of me want to help you learn how to talk to the people that say, "Oh, I'm just browsing." And they're early on, they don't know what they want, and therefore they don't think they need you. I want you to write down these questions that we ask. We ask, have you been looking for a home long? Out of what you just saw, what stood out, good, bad, or ugly? What are you hoping to change about where you live? And the last one, which segues into talking about the money, do you happen to have a friend or a family member in the mortgage business? Now, if I went too fast for you, you can always replay this video, but you can also take the masterclass where we dive deep, and that's more of like a 201 session where we dive deep on all of the scripting that's involved. But again, I just want to reiterate something. We've got a community to impact your mindset. We've got scripts and courses to assist you. You need to learn a new way of selling. If you'll do this, I promise you, 10 years from now, you'll be one of the agents that are absolutely crushing it in real estate.